Okay, hi, this is Mrs. DiCaprio. I'm going to show you how to wedge clay and how to roll slab using our slats here. So we have a ball of clay, and our goal for wedging is to homogenize the clay and get all the air bubbles out. If any air bubbles are left in there, you run the risk of having it blow up in the kiln. So our goal when wedging is to start to mold the clay together, pull it back towards yourself, and continue to pull and push until the clay gets nice and soft and we get all those air bubbles out. So you push, pull, push, pull. You keep rotating the clay around. And sometimes if the clay is really hard, you need to do this for 5 or 10 minutes even to make sure all those air bubbles are out and the clay is all one nice soft ball ready to use for any of our projects. You can see here that it's starting to soften up and become ready for use. Now we have ourselves a nice wedged ball of clay, no air bubbles in it. And our next goal is going to be to roll a nice even slat of clay. The way we do that is we use our wooden slats here. We put one on each side of the clay. You can pound down the clay to create sort of a flat pancake. Get it as flat as you can. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get 2 slats, put one on each side of your clay pancake, and a rolling pin. Okay, and the goal is to make it even all the way from one side to the other. The way you want to do this is you want to roll it from one side to the other. Don't stop in between. All the way through. And then go ahead and turn over your piece of clay. You're going to want to continue to do this until the clay piece has stopped moving. That's the trick, how you know it's even all the way through. From one side all the way to the other. If you could see here at the front of your clay piece, if it continues to move forward, that means it's still leveling out. Okay, all the way from one side to the other. If you know that your piece is much bigger than you need, you could always take a fettling knife and cut off the edges, put them in your scraps pile, and continue to turn until your piece is all the way flat. There we go, pretty much flat all the way through. You can always use a sponge, a little bit of water on your fingertips to smooth out any uneven pieces, or even a rib tool will do the trick. Just soften out any pieces, and there you have a nice even piece of clay.